Around three-quarters of us across the UK are concerned about climate change, according to the opinion polls. But a Green campaign in Wales has been aiming to inspire people to take action. Climate Cymru has taken electric vehicles on a round Wales trip to highlight community climate projects. This morning, the tour was rounded off where it began, in Swansea. From there, Hamish Auskerry reports.
Completing a tour of Wales, powered not by the fumes of a petrol engine, but the passion of climate activists and the national grid. What's this all been about?
It's a celebration of community climate action all around Wales and really trying to highlight all of the amazing people taking things into their own hands and getting busy with climate action, connecting communities and improving their lives with some of these climate solutions that can be done at community level.
The Climate Cymru Green Tour kicked off a week ago, passing through St David's, Machynlleth and then Bangor, with a stop at the North Wales African Community Centre.
We can connect with a lot of people and say about climate and what's happening to be in the future, what's happening in the future. So it's a great thing that I am doing. I am proud of it.
So it's really good to have this and a collaboration between both people because, as we say, climate change doesn't discriminate. So everyone has to have action.
Climate change already affects Wales, of course, but there was lived experience in this room of global warming's most devastating impacts in other parts of the world.
And that's what fuels the need or the drive that we bring to volunteering in advocacies and making our voices heard. We just want to say, let's have a better world for everyone.
Then it was the long journey back through the beautiful mountains near Ruthin and Brecon, with only the whisper of an EV engine.
If we do it right, climate action can really improve our lives and lead to a better future. That can act as a sort of pull towards community level climate action. Doing it right, so exciting for how we can really improve our quality of life.
Volunteers across Wales work every day to bring green issues to the fore. This mission was about tying them together into one collective force and drawing inspiration from what can be achieved. Hamish Auskerry, ITV News, Swansea.